The kettlebell halo exercise is an excellent drill for building upper body mobility and strength. So you have, everybody knows your tricep extension, and that's about it. That's all you can do to reinforce this tricep development. But with the halo, you're able to do that while building some shoulder mobility and some core stability at the same time. So what it looks like, we're going to grab the kettlebell by the ball, hooking our thumbs underneath the handles. Now how it's going to look if you really slowed it down is you go one ear, you can see it's below the top of my head, back of my head, to my opposite ear, and in front. Typically we're going to alternate, so I'm going to go back the other direction. One ear, nice and close, back of my head, other ear, and into the front. What you don't want to do is have it rotating around, using a lot of upper body. We're trying to isolate our shoulders here, keep them tucked. So I don't want you swaying around too much. I want you to isolate. So from here again, side, you can see how I could thread. You'll learn more about this if you get into club training. Going behind the head, keeping my elbows in. I'm not letting them fly out. Keep my shoulders tucked, which keeps them nice and safe. Opposite arm and into the front. Now, during what the variation we're going to use during the DVD is what I like to call the wide halo. So for this one, we're going to use a side handle grip, and we're going to start our hips. So this just makes a greater range of motion for your shoulders and helps encourage a little bit more core stability in order to do the exercise. So from here, following around my head, keeping my shoulders nice and tight, keeping the kettlebell as close to my head as possible, all the way down in front. So you'll notice with this variation, you're working a lot more of your upper arms into the movement, and it's a little bit more taxing on your endurance.